Hi there, welcome back to the Django stream of tutorial. Now in this lecture, I will talk about model serializer. First thing here, I'll comment out complete code so that I'll write a new model serializer. So before going to start a model serializer, I'll go back to the documentation. Under the documentation, click on the API guide, go to the serializer, click on the model serializer. Under the model serializer, you can find out detail about the model serializer. When we use the model serializer, no need to write create an update method. It will take care of that create an update later. When you write the serializer, that time you have to write a class, serializer name, and the model serializer. Under the model serializer, create a class meta, then mention the model that you have created under your model.py and the fields that you want to display in your browser. So we'll see the detailed implementation through the coding. We'll go back to the code. Now we'll write a class. So here I am going to write the class order serializer, serializers dot model serializer. Under the model serializer, we are going to create a class meta. Inside that, we are going to define our model, that is a coder. And then we are going to mention the fields. So initially, I'm going to write all the fields that I want to use. So this is my complete coder serializer. Once we write the coder serializer, we'll verify the output to the browser. We'll go back to the browser. And here I'm going to refresh this particular link. You can find all the details has been displayed. Suppose I want to add one more record. What I'll do, I'll just copy this content and we'll add it here. I'll write ID. First name, it's a Gokul. Experience is, let's say, Genius. Scale is, let's say, Python. And we'll post this data. So this data is successfully accepted. Press this page, you can find that record is get added. So create an update has been carefully handled through the model serializer. Suppose I don't want to display the scale of the code, then what sort of modification we need to do in the model serializer? We'll go back to the code. So instead of this fill all, what I'll do, I'll just comment out this, and here I'm going to write exclude, and what particular field I want to exclude, that I need to mention. Suppose here I want to exclude the scales. We'll go back to the models.py and we can verify the variable name. So skills. So that skills I'm going to exclude in the console output. So go back to the browser and verify the output. I just refresh this page and you can find the skill set has been removed. This. So you can exclude any particular parameter. Suppose if your database is having 20 fields and you want to just exclude one field, that time you can use a exclude. Suppose I don't want to display all the fields, but I want to display more than one field. So what I need to do, I'll go back to code again. And here I'm going to comment out exclude, and here I'm going to create fields. And here I am going to change particular field that I am looking. I want to display ID, then I want to display skills. I want to display experience only. The rest of the field I don't want to display. So I just save this and I'll go back to the browser. I'll verify the output. And you can find ID, skill, and experience. Name of the coder has been removed from this. So in this way, you can handle model serializer. So here we can differentiate our normal serializer and the model serializer. You can optimize the line of code through the models. Hope you like the content. Still, if you have any doubt, you can write it in the comment section. I'll be more happy to give the explanation of your. Thanks for watching.